Okay guys, here we go. After a pretty long break, I'm coming back with this amazing XDiavel-S. I finally have received the QuadLock case and QuadLock mount, so we are ready to start, and I'm going to show you how to mount it correctly if you have an XDiavel. So let's start. Every single time I'm starting this motorcycle, it's just the music to my soul. Okay, so I think I'm going to put it somewhere under the light. It's good here, it's under the light, so you would be able to see every single step I'm doing. And let me show you the kit. Okay, a little bit of Tesla magic. Yeah, that's why I love Teslas. All of that, autonomous, even the doors. Alright, let's start. So we have those little screws, or how do you call them? Handlebar mirror mount. Spacers. Okay, spacers and screws, yeah, sorry. Almost got it. By the way, if you're curious, it is a sticker. It's not a case, it's a sticker, which is pretty well placed. Although sometimes the phone was falling. It was not heavily damaged, so it's just some scratches on the corners as always. So yeah, the only thing which now I'm thinking of is that the mount itself, I think it's just the correct way of opening the box. Okay, so the case is pretty big, and I'm not sure if I'm going to just wear the case all the time. Seriously, think after some... Oh no, you see, it just ruined the sticker. Stupid case. But anyway, yeah, it will save the phone definitely. Alright, can I throw it there? It's like it's supposed to be there. Don't see the bin anywhere, so okay, let's go. Okay. Here we are. Do we need an instruction? Hope not. Hope it's easy. Okay, looks pretty straightforward, right? Don't even need that paper. Okay, anyway, let's start. Alright, I'm gonna put it here. So the first thing, it goes install mount. Fix the correct space for your bar size. Alright, so pretty sure they sent the correct one. Okay, so now I see how it works. Damn it. This one will need to go. I think we even need that one. Let's try anyway. This is goes here. Okay, where should I put it? First of all, let's see. Okay, I'm right-handed, so actually it doesn't matter here. Let's try this part. Nope, too big. Kind of. Hope it will close. Let's just do like this. Seriously, guys? Oh, actually no, it works. So I don't really need any spacers. Do I really need to use those? If needed. So yeah, I don't. That's good. But the other thing is, should it be like that? Or okay. Let's imagine we have something like that. Okay. Remove before use. Alright. So this goes here. Okay, I don't know, do I need to install mount without mounting ARM? Ah, okay, so we can even do like that. Okay, 45 degrees, and then we press. So I guess we are done. Let's check it out. Okay, so it goes over here, right? Or okay, it goes like this, and done. Let's see. Okay, so that was my mistake. I need to make it facing me, right? I don't want it to be like over there. For the moment, what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to stick with my beloved XDiavel-S, and I don't want to change it to something else right now, because I'm more than happy with it. Yeah, you know, you just have sometimes you have those days when you're desperate of getting something new, talking about the motorcycle, and you start browsing the internet, checking for all of different websites, reading all of the reviews, and you just getting kind of sick with it. I mean, in a good way. And it's same with the car. I would say, like, there was one day when I was just, or not a day, there was like a week when I was like sitting and dying of getting a new car. And then it just, you realize eventually that you don't really need it for now, because you have some other important things to do and to think about. So as I was saying, for the moment I'm not really looking into buying a motorcycle. Okay, this is much better. I could see my phone. Everything is good. Maybe I just need to make it more that way over here, or I think it's fine. Now I just need to tighten the screws, and I think we are ready to go. Oh, you know what? We can actually, since we have the, how do you call them? We can just use them. Why not? Finally, guys, I did it. If you were like really looking into that installation, then here you go. It's so cool to have your phone over here, so every time someone calls me, yes, I know I can actually connect it to my motorcycle. I will be able to see who is calling me from the dashboard over here, but it's much better to have your phone over there. Not wearing my motorcycle jeans, because they're a bit thicker and it's a little bit cold outside. So even though it's the summer, I don't know why, but it's been 2 or 3 weeks already since it's been like horribly raining every day, and right now it's it seems like a thunderstorm is going to fall down on Geneva. So yeah, by that time I will finish riding. A few years ago I used to be a person who is happily changing from one thing to another without any problems, so such as like a cell phone. I used to change from Android to Apple, back to Android, then back to Apple. I wasn't really bothered by anything while doing that. So right now, with a motorcycle and even like with a phone, I'm getting older and getting used to the things easier, and it's even harder for me to get used to something else, even though I am familiar with it. I think it's the same with motorcycles right now. I got used to that one. I know it will be much more comfortable riding a multistrada. At the same time, I like the visual factors as well. I like to consider it. I don't want to move to super sport. It's just something I'm comfortable with. Okay, we're gonna go. Let's just go there. Ah, you see that? This mount is perfect. Because most of the other ones, when I was speaking about them, you probably remember, they're so shaky, and when you ride on a motorcycle, it gives you so many vibrations. So yeah, that mount is just super stable there. It doesn't really move. You remember I was saying to you guys that I'm planning to go to somewhere a bit further away from Geneva into Swiss Alps. But for the moment I have a new project which I'm working on, and I'm also working on it with my wife as well, so she's helping me and we're launching it together. So I'm kind of giving every single day to that new project, because in July I'm going to leave for my little vacation. But don't worry, I'll take my camera with me and I'll show you where I'm going. So that's why I just wanted to launch it as soon as possible. By the end of June, hopefully it will be ready. Let's just make a quick stop over here. By the way, let's see if I can even record myself from the phone. it would be good. Okay, let's start. So I'm still, as you can hear, using my microphone from the GoPro. Because you wouldn't be able to hear me from the phone, that's for sure. The angle is a bit, if I only wouldn't sit like this, but it would be like so strange to sit in that position. Thank you so much guys for watching my vlog, and please stay safe, ride more, enjoy your life. Guys, if you want me to speak about something, write it in the comments please.